Hey, it's Ben. I have these Casmer replacement knobs for a Samsung gas stove. The company sent these over to me to review. So we're going to check them out and see how they work. Our knobs that came with our gas stove, they have broken on the inside, and so they slip, and you don't want that happening because you don't want that gas turning on and not being able to turn it off. And let me just show you a close-up of these. So these are nearly identical to Samsung's factory version. Here's the difference between the two. So here is the original that came off of the oven, and it's these parts inside this plastic that are breaking, which is why we need to replace. So here's the new one. So you can see they're virtually identical. As I spin this around, you can see the markings are virtually the same, the bottom. And I do want to point out, you do get a set of 5 with these. All right, so I'm just going to stick this new one right onto the oven. All right, works great. One thing that's different is that it has a little bit more of a matte finish to it compared to the original. The original is a little more shiny. Hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching.